How to see who viewed your Facebook story, not friends. Have you ever posted a Facebook story and wondered who viewed it, even if they're not on your friends list? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to see who's been watching your Facebook stories, even if they're not your friends. So let's jump right in. First things first, open your web browser and go to facebook.com, or you can also go to Facebook app itself. Now here you can see your story. Simply tap on it to view your story. And at the bottom you can see an eye icon. Simply tap on that. Now here you can see all the people who has seen your story. When you tap the eye icon, it will take you to a list of everyone who has viewed your story. This includes both your friends and anyone who else has seen it. Now, if someone who is not your friend has viewed your story, you'll still see the profile instead listed over here, as long as the privacy settings allow you to see their profile. Now, if you don't want your unknown person to see your story, you can simply block them from seeing it. Click on edit story privacy and simply click on story privacy. And here, as you can see, who can see your story. If you want everyone to see your story, you can choose on public. But if you want only your friends to see your story, simply click on friends. And that's it. That's how you can see who viewed your Facebook story, even if they're not your friends.